Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Uphold application on your iPhone or iOS. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Uphold application on your iPhone or iOS, go ahead and launch open your App Store. Before downloading an application on the device, let me tell you that the downloading process for Android device and iPhone or iOS are similar. Once you open your App Store, on the search box at the top type in Uphold and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Simply tap on Get option right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Uphold application on your device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.